What a fabulous car, just arrived in direct from the last owner. It's a family I've dealt with for a number of years now. Absolutely beautiful Volkswagen Tiguan 2.0 TDI Life. 150 brake horsepower. Based in this gorgeous Dolphin grey metallic, very rare colour. Around £2,600 worth of factory options, including the very rare panoramic sunroof, reverse camera and a spare wheel. 2022 on a 22 plate with just 21,000 miles. These are great value for money, very spacious, fabulous to drive. Let's take you all the way around it to show you how beautiful this one is. It is absolutely stunning. Great size boot on it. Loads of space, split folding rear seats, 3-load facility. You've got a spare wheel all there, complete with a toolkit, locking wheel bolt. Drop the seats down very easily. Pull the lever there, just folds down on that. All the loading area, totally unmarked. No scuff marks, no damaging. Just see the colour there, the Dolphin grey, when the sunshine just catches it. It is gorgeous. Black roof rails. All the bodywork, absolutely gorgeous. No dents, scratches, scrapes or dings anywhere. All the wheels are in great condition, not been refurbished. This is how the car came in. We fitted a brand new set of tyres, so all the tyres are brand new tyres. Got the mud flaps fitted to it as well, all down the sides, lovely and clean. Rear privacy glass, just look at it, just gleaming away. Of course, you've got the wheel arch protectors on there as well, front and rear. So again, the near side front wheel, all across the front parking sensors, all the bodywork, absolutely beautiful. Can't see any stone chips on the vehicle. There might be the odd one, but I've certainly not seen any stone chips on it at all. It is a 2022 car. So for 4 years old, it is absolutely gorgeous. And this is why we do the videos. We're getting our hands and knees to show you every single detail, because we have nothing to hide, full transparency. And that's why you'll find many other dealers do not go as far as us, because we believe we have higher quality vehicles to sell. So again, the driver's wheel and tyre, as I mentioned, all brand new. All down the sides, on this side as well, all unmarked. And of course, the final wheel and tyre. Got these 18-inch alloy wheels on there. Of course, the proper tyres, SUV marked. I mean, just look at that space there. Tons and tons of space. The beauty of these seats as well is not just a matter of dropping them down. You can also adjust. I'm trying to do it this one-handed, not quite working, but let's just get into the vehicle. So there you go, you can actually slide them forward, give you a bigger boot. But you can flick that lever to give you that huge space there. Of course, panoramic roof, non-smoker's car, no nasty smells, all the headlining absolutely perfect. All the door trims, all unmarked. Factory windows, mirrors on there. All the entry points. All the seats, the upholstery, all totally unmarked. 21,737 is the mileage. All across the dashboard, all beautifully clean, no damage. Nice trimming on there, not sure what they call it. Just set it off very nicely. Again, all the trims there, all great. Central armrest, storage in there, cup holders, 6-speed manual gearbox, auto hold, dual zone climate control. I've got a fingertip control on there. You sync both sides together.
And in just a second after,
great sound system on there. Audio radio stations, also touch screen. Scroll through. Phone connection, Bluetooth. Video input. Back to radio. Navigation. All very straightforward, very clear. Zoom in, zoom out with your fingers. Vehicle status. Again, all very straightforward. Got the menu there, so vehicle details, navigation, sound. Scroll across. Again, change the temperature on both sides individual. Do the fan speed on there. As I mentioned, this does have the reverse camera as well, which was an option, which makes it easier for parking for you. Nice leather multifunction steering wheel, volume control, cruise control, speed limiter, all straightforward on that. This side, again, you can change the menu, what it shows on there. So you've got navigation at the moment. Audio, telephone, vehicle status, assist, navigation, all very, very straightforward. So I mentioned cruise control, speed limiter, all very straightforward there. It's got lane assist as well. So there we have it. Our beautiful, beautiful car. USB aux input under there as well. Full service history. Absolutely outstanding condition. Very, very rare spec. And of course, with the sunroof across there as well. Tilt and slide. All very straightforward. You got the blind as well. Controlled from there. Just zooms along. To open it, just slide it across. Fully automatic. 2 sets of keys. Full HPI checked and clear. We welcome part exchange. Great finance available direct from ourselves. So if you want to take out your finance on HP or PCP, just use our online finance calculator to work out all the details. Low deposit. Very quick and easy. Or we can happily give you the details over the phone. Remember, you can click and reserve this car 24/7 off the website. Click and reserve, hit that reserve button. And remember, a full money back guarantee if the car is not as described. But with the video, you know exactly what you're buying. Nothing is left to chance. And this is why we get so many customers from all over the place, locally, nationally, internationally, buying cars unseen due to our videos. We make buying and selling cars a simple, hassle-free process. Specialist Cars established since 1997, that's 28 years of business. A multi-award-winning dealer based in Stoke-on-Trent, Staffordshire. We're open Monday to Saturday. Any further information, please just give us a call on 01782 822 700. If you don't want to miss this beauty, hit that reserve button, come and collect. We can arrange home delivery. Additional costs do apply, but you could have that on your driveway tomorrow morning. Our phone number is 01782 822 700. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997, and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition, and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call 01782 822 700.